Hey Vikas, I've been thinking about investing in mutual funds, but honestly, I don't know much about finance. Do you think I could still do well?
Absolutely, Sapna. You don't need to be a finance expert to get started with mutual funds. There are beginner-friendly options and plenty of resources to guide you.
Really? I always thought mutual funds were only for people who understand all that financial jargon.
Not at all. Most mutual funds are professionally managed. So even if you're just starting out, the mutual fund experts handle the complexities for you. All you need is clarity on your goals and risk tolerance.
That's interesting. So as long as I have a general idea of what I want, I can invest confidently.
Exactly. Starting small and investing regularly can help you work towards your financial goals over time.
That's good to know. I'll start small and learn as I go.
That's a perfect plan, Sapna. Starting simple is often the best approach.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.